Yo, what's good? This is St. Joe, soundsandgear.com. Here with a quick video on the MODO Bass NKS preset pack. This is something I've been using personally for a while just because MODO Bass is probably my favorite bass plugin. But when you load it inside of Maschine and even in other DAWs, the parameters don't really present themselves to the host like a lot of other plugins do. So I just have these tagged and I have the previews for them, but there's actually no controls. Most of the controls are key switches. There are a few CCs, but they don't show up. And when you try to map them to macros, the CCs don't show up there as well. But anyway, so with that said, I got it tagged and ready to go, and I'm giving this away as a free download just because I didn't have to go through and do any custom mapping or anything. I just went through and saved the presets and tagged them. So you can see if you want to go to the finger bass, or the pick, slap bass, then extreme. And of course, you can just load this stuff up. And yes, you can do this directly from the controller as well. So yeah, you get the idea. The main thing for this, at least for me, is how I use it is being able to just quickly browse the presets in that NKS environment, quickly pull them up and play them. So yeah, you don't get the controls like normal NKS due to how the parameters are presented from this plugin, but I thought this still might be useful and want to just give it away and share it with you guys just as a way of saying thanks for always supporting me. So of course you can download this directly in the Sounds and Gear shop. See right there, all you got to do is add it to your cart. You'll be able to check out. You don't have to pay anything, and you'll be able to download this. So, of course, you do need to own MODO Bass. This works with the latest version, 1.5.1, I believe, version 2.7 or higher of Maschine, and Komplete Kontrol 2.0.2 or higher, and you should be good to go. MODO Bass only comes at 64 bits, so that's what it is. This is the VST, does not work with the AU. So yeah, hopefully this makes this a little bit easier if you use MODO Bass in your workflow. If you use a MODO Bass with NKS, whether it's in Maschine or Komplete Kontrol, I know it's helpful for me, so I just wanted to share with you guys just as a way of saying thanks. I appreciate you. See y'all later. This is St. Joe, soundsandgear.com. Peace.